Hey everyone, Devin with OBS Solutions and the Cowboy Truck. So when we do these truck projects, one of the goals is to come up with a new product whenever we do these trucks. So when it came time to intercool this truck, we like to use the 7.3 intercoolers out of Super Duties, like the 99 through 03s. They're awesome, they fit well. So then when we came to do that, it was like, well, mounting them to the core support, everyone does something different. You know, some people like fab up a little bracket here or whatever. So we figured like, well, hell, no one's ever made a bracket to support it correctly. And then maybe if we're gonna do that, then let's build an awesome bracket kit, check. And let's make it so the piping clears the radiator, because that's a real pain to get that piping near the radiator and get the boots on. So let's eliminate the straps on the radiator, clear those out so it's all open, build our own radiator retention tabs up top to the top of the core support, so it opens that whole area up for piping. Oh, and let's make mounts that also mount a 6.0 tranny cooler, like one of the biggest tranny coolers you can get, all in one bracket system. Check it out, here's some details. Hey, let's talk about this lower intercooler mount. It multitasks, unlike me. It does two things. It obviously holds the intercooler from flopping around, but it also holds a badass 6.0 transmission cooler. All right, so if you notice, these are our lower transmission cooler mounts. Really simple, bolts right on, nothing hard about them. And you guys with shackle reversed rigs like this, notice all the room here for activities. And check it out, there's even more room here. How'd we do that? We got rid of these stupid things. Aaron, we don't need those anymore. Shit, wait, we do need those. IDI guys, you gotta keep these. But Power Stroke guys, you get rid of them altogether. What does that do? Well, it allows our piping to have way more room for the boots, the clamps, accessibility, totally more clearance. How'd we do that? We got rid of those stupid straps. And we built our own bracket that bolts to the top of the core support that lets you have all the room for activities. Bolts to the 3 bolts that are on the factory straps. Bolts to 2 existing holes that are already in your core support. We supply the hardware for all this kit, obviously. Hey, Kenny, come here. That stock hood latch just ain't gonna work. Got you covered. Clean and simple. Tell them what they won, Bob. What they win? They won a intercooler bracket kit that houses everything in the proper location. Intercooler, tranny cooler, AC condenser, radiator, all with the correct spacing. All in one kit? Ding! Bottom line, the ultimate intercooler mounting solution for, well, your 7.3. Your Cummins swap, your IDI, as long as you have a diesel core support, it does it all. All done here at OBS Solutions.